Renault Group is committed to an ambitious climate transition plan to build the next generation automotive company.
We aim to achieve carbon neutrality in 2040 in Europe and by 2050 worldwide. Our goal is to provide everyone with more sustainable, safe, and accessible forms of mobility. Our plan is crystal clear. We will transform our industry while minimizing our impact on the climate and natural resources. We act at every stage of a car's life cycle, from design and manufacturing through to use until end of life. We operate under the cradle-to-cradle principle because cars must become our primary resource for recycled materials. Reducing our environmental impact starts at the design stage, where we study aerodynamics, the use of recycled and sustainable materials, and how and where we can consume less. Therefore, design pushes us to innovate in the production of components, and that includes our whole supply chain, which has committed to improving traceability. By including all our partners, we will be able to step up progress in battery manufacturing so that by 2030, they will be more efficient, produce less carbon, and be reusable. The chain of logistics will also become more efficient, reducing our CO2 emissions generated through the transport of parts and vehicles. Our climate plan also applies to our manufacturing processes, particularly through our factories, which are aiming for carbon neutrality first in Europe and then worldwide. The plan has been designed to ensure that by 2030, 100% of our new passenger cars sold in Europe are electric. Hybrid, hydrogen, and LPG technologies will be rolled out at all our brands, and we will do our best to become the European leader in hydrogen mobility and the associated landscape for light commercial vehicles. But designing more sustainable mobility also means extending vehicles' lifespans and increasing usage rates through shared mobility, vehicles reconditioning, retrofitting, and other techniques, as well as future in-car technology. Lastly, we're strengthening our leadership in the circular economy to bring recycling into a new era, from car to car. At Renault Group, the climate is an integral part of our plan to create sustainable value, rise to the challenges we currently face, and bring about fair innovation that serves everyone.